when you fucking naff and get rodum.
Babes, wagwan, you know say, but this time I want go the Chris Brown concert. So me I look on it and me I say, you can't worry buy with there, yeah? The new one. Me I say we could have put it up for sale, you see me? Come that previous time I would have put up the market for sale, but then me I look on it and me I say, the next car draw more attention when you drive the next car, more people like that one day. You see me? Than the market. So me I look into things and me I say, maybe we could have sell it and then you can because of the sky view, something me did want to do, the one for 1.5 million. So would I sell it and then you give me the 1.5 million out of it and then you don't keep the change. Tell me what you think. I think it's a good idea. Buy some back and let me know what you think. Kirby?
Hey, girl, I told me that do something me never answer you properly. Every time me and your blood clot, cause you tell me say you have a fat pussy and now you can work. Now is the perfect time to go work it. You hear me I tell you? Now is the perfect blood clot time to go work. You come and come to bust that car. You could have fucking bright. You out there you fuck. I would have sell you more my blood clot car. You know me love that car, girl? Eh? Or you want to sell car to go a Chris Brown show. You go look for one man. Eh? And all the years they there with me and I have me a look on. Me no the same man. I the same man, you know. I the same man go sell your crutches where you always argue with me about. So you go sell it. Eh? When me and you cuss, you tell me, boy, girl me name. Girl me name, you know. Me have this a fat hole of pussy. Yes, me know say fat. So go sell it. Now is the perfect blood clot time. We look out of that bumbo clot sell. The bright and face, you know. One where you go. Pussy hole. Otada man, me have to deal with the little skin fear man, you're bright. You're Otada man. When you look into it, you're Otada. About sell car. If you go a Chris Brown, sure. Eh? Eh? You're Otada, eh?